time for math. Before I explain how to solve my story problem, you have to learn what my story problem is. My story problem is located at page 140 at number 4. A bottle of food supplements with 30 capsules costs 195 pesos. Determine the cost of 43 capsules. Here, I bought 30 capsules for 195 pesos. If I have 43 capsules, how much money will I pay? So, we have 30 capsules and 195 pesos. First thing we have to do is divide 30 capsules with 195 pesos. So, this is how we write it. 30 and 195. First thing we do is ask how many 30s are there in 1. Of course, there are 0. So 0 times 30 equals 0. Subtract that and 195. Next thing we need to do is how many 30s are there in 19. There is 0. So 0 times 30 equals 0. Subtract that again, bring that down. Next thing is how many 30s are there in 195. So there are, of course, 6. So we put 6 right here. Now 6 times 30, 180. We subtract that. That is equal to 15. Next thing. Now, we need the exact number. Since we have a remainder of 15, we can still get the exact number. We add a decimal point right here. Of course, we do the same on top right there. Now, we can add as many zeros as we want here, but I'll just stick with 1. So, we bring down that 0 here. Now, how many 30s are there in 150? There are, of course, 5. So, we put 5 right here. Next, 3 times 5 is 30. 5 times 30 is, of course, 150. Subtract that and 0. So the correct answer is 6.5. So that means 1 capsule is equal to 6.5 pesos. The next thing we need to do is, of course, multiply. Now, we move on to multiplying. This is how we write it. First thing we need to do is 5 times 3 is equal to 15. 5 times 4 equals to 20. 20 plus 1 equals to 21. 6 times 3 equals to 18. So we add 8 here. 6 times 4 is equals to 24. 24 plus 1 is equal to 25. So next thing we need to do is add all these up. Bring down 5. 8 plus 1. 2 plus 5. And bring down 2. So now we have to count how many decimal places are there here. So there are, of course, only 1. So we add 1. So now we know that 279.5 is equal to 43 capsules. So 279.5 is equal to 43 capsules. So that means 43 capsules is equals to 279.5. This is how we write our answer. So we put 30 here. 30 is to 195 is equal to 43 and 279.5. Thank you for watching my video presentation for math. I hope you like my explanation